The world is a mirror, forever reflecting what you are doing, within yourself. You are already that which you want to be, and your refusal to believe this is the only reason you do not see it. It is not what you want that you attract what you believe to be true. If you will assume your desire and live there as though it were true, no power on earth can stop it from becoming a fact. Change your conception of yourself and you will automatically change the world in which you live. Do not try to change people, they are only messengers telling you who you are. Revalue yourself and they will confirm the change. Your opinion of yourself is your most important viewpoint. You are infinitely greater than you think you are. Do not waste one moment in regret, for to think feelingly of the mistakes of the past is to reinfect yourself. Imagination and faith are the secrets of creation. The great secret is a controlled imagination and a well-sustained attention, firmly and repeatedly focused on the object to be accomplished. The world is yourself pushed out. Ask yourself what you want and then give it to yourself. Do not question how it will come about, just go your way knowing that the evidence of what you have done must appear, and it will. Be careful of your moods and feelings, for there is an unbroken connection between your feelings and your visible world. Become aware of what you are thinking and you will recognize a law between your mood and your surrounding circumstances. Learn to shake yourself loose from what the world believes is the only reality. If you judge after appearances, you will continue to be enslaved by the evidence of your senses. All you can possibly need or desire is already yours. Call your desires into being by imagining and feeling your wish fulfilled. I imagine that people see me as they would see me if I were the man that I want to be. Only as one is willing to give up his present limitations and identity can he become that which he desires to be. Through your ability to think and feel, you have dominion over all creation.